Today is day 3 of Vlogmas and today is a content day, so I am going to be filming quite a few Scottish Gaelic videos because as you can imagine, the weather isn't that great, the lighting isn't very good. So what I will do is block some content just in case the weather is bad and it is dark over the next few days. I know that I will have something backed up. And I wear my makeup a little bit heavier when I'm filming just because I think we all know that the camera is not that flattering and we need to do a little bit extra. So this is jumper number 1 and I actually got this one from Sainsbury's. So 2 at Sainsbury's and I really like it. It felt like an understated festive, and I say that when it has a diamante bow around the collar, but it feels somewhat understated in comparison to your very sequined and very brightly coloured ones. And also, it's burgundy, which is very much in keeping with this season's fashion. I like this. I've got washing there to put away, so ignore that. Okay. Second jumper, this is an old Topshop one. It's slightly cropped, but again, it's not too festive while still being really festive. So it has snowflakes all over it and I really like it. So this is jumper number 2. So this is jumper number 3 and it is covered, it's adorned. It's covered with Christmas trees and they do have wee yellow stars on the top. You can't see that. This one is from Primark and I got this one honestly 5, 6, 7 years ago. I promise you this was about £4 and I need you to bring this style of Christmas jumper back, maybe some candy canes, something like this. Demure. We want to be demure. I love this jumper. I bring it out every year. I quite often wear it under dresses. So I have just recorded 3 videos which will be coming to you very soon, and quite honestly now I'm going to make a cup of tea, play with Brochan, take him for his morning walk I think, and I need to do some editing. I am really unbelievably stressed and you don't see this side of things. This is breaking out, so what I need are more of these. So anyone knows of any good spot patches I could do with them right about now. I've tried to hide it with makeup, but you know, you will see it on other clips, I'm sure. I just took Brochan out for his afternoon walk and came back and there's a package for me. So I am so excited about this because I ordered this, I don't know, a few weeks ago, but it's felt like a long time, you know, when you're excited for something and the wait time feels extortionate. Just after me showing you my Christmas jumpers, it is another Christmas jumper. Only this one is in Gaelic. It says Nolik Chriel, which we went over not long ago, and it's Merry Christmas. I got it in navy colour. I think you can also get it in like a bottle green, forest green colour. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I will be wearing this in upcoming videos. I wish I had it when I did Merry Christmas, but